Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy tuna sandwich. Starting with the base, select whole grain bread for its fiber and nutritional benefits. If you're looking for a lower carb alternative, consider using crisp lettuce wraps or bell pepper halves instead. It's best to avoid white bread, as it provides very little nutritional value for your meal. Making smart choices here sets the foundation for a truly wholesome and satisfying sandwich. Next, let's focus on the filling. Opt for tuna packed in water to keep the fat and calorie count lower. For a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats, try mashing in some ripe avocado. If you want to skip traditional mayonnaise, plain Greek yogurt is an excellent substitute, offering extra protein and a pleasant tang to your tuna mixture. These simple swaps significantly enhance the nutritional profile. Now, let's talk about adding flavor and nutrients. Finely chop vegetables like celery, carrots, and bell peppers to add a satisfying crunch and a wealth of vitamins. Fresh herbs such as dill or parsley can introduce a vibrant, fresh taste without extra calories. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the entire mixture, adding a zesty acidity that truly elevates the flavor profile of your healthy tuna sandwich. Finally, pay attention to your portion sizes. Aim for about 3 to 4 ounces of tuna per sandwich to keep it balanced. To create a complete and satisfying meal, pair your healthy tuna sandwich with a fresh side salad or a serving of fruit. Remember, small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall nutrition. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.